Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to make t-shirt designs on Canva and sell them online. Let's dive in. Starting a t-shirt design business with Canva is a fun, accessible, and creative way to step into entrepreneurship. This guide will walk you through the entire process from crafting attractive designs to selling them through print-on-demand platforms. Whether you're a beginner or someone hoping to expand a side hustle, Canva's user-friendly tools make it easy to bring your ideas to life. Canva is a versatile platform offering a huge library of templates, graphics, and design elements. While there is a pro plan with extra features, the free version is more than enough for creating high-quality t-shirt designs. To begin, go to Canva and use the search bar to explore t-shirt templates. Even though the t-shirt category isn't heavily highlighted, searching t-shirt brings up tons of options, from professional styles to simple, minimalistic designs. You can customize a template or build your design entirely from scratch. If you're unsure what style you want, browsing inspiration platforms like Pinterest can be incredibly helpful. Searching for t-shirt design ideas will show you simple, eye-catching concepts that you can easily adapt using Canva. Once you have a creative direction, start customizing your chosen template by adding text, choosing fonts, and experimenting with effects like outline, hollow, splice, or glow. You can adjust colors, resize elements, and modify layouts to make the design truly your own. Canva's straightforward interface makes these edits effortless, even for beginners. When your design is complete, download it as a PNG file to maintain the best print quality. Next, upload your design to a print-on-demand platform such as Printful, Gelato, Printify, or Redbubble. These platforms let you connect your store, choose products like premium t-shirts, and upload your artwork directly. You can also customize shirt colors, sizes, and mock-up styles to make your listings look more professional. If your design includes a background you don't want, use Canva's background remover or any other removal tool before uploading it. After your artwork is added to the print-on-demand platform, complete the product setup by adding a title, description, sizing information, and pricing. You'll set a base price and your selling price, which determines your profit margin. Once everything is ready, publish the product to your connected store so customers can purchase it. Creating and selling t-shirts with Canva is a straightforward and rewarding process. With Canva's intuitive design tools and the convenience of print-on-demand services, launching a t-shirt business has never been easier. Whether you're customizing templates or creating a fresh design from scratch, you have everything you need to turn your creativity into income. And that's it for this video. Happy designing and best of luck with your t-shirt business.